Most people think they need to completely change their life overnight. New habits, new mindset, new discipline. But the truth is far simpler. You don't need a massive change. You just need 1%. One tiny improvement repeated every day. That's how real comebacks are made. 1. The mind-blowing math. If you improve by just 1% every day, you become 37 times better in 1 year. Not 37%, not 3x, 37 times. That's the power of consistent, tiny steps. 2. Why big changes fail. People fail because they try to change their whole life in 1 week. They burn out, they quit, and they blame themselves for not having willpower. But it was never about willpower. It was always about consistency. 3. What 1% looks like. 1% is small. It's not painful. It's not dramatic. But it works. 1% looks like 5 more push-ups, 10 more minutes of studying, 2 extra pages of reading, saying no to 1 distraction. Small wins every day. These wins stack. These wins compound. These wins transform you. 4. The identity shift. Every time you do your 1%, you're sending a message to your mind. I am improving. I am growing. I am becoming someone better. When your identity shifts, your entire life follows. 5. The comeback. Your comeback won't be loud. It won't be dramatic. It will be slow, silent, steady, and then one day people will look at you and say, "What happened to you?" But you'll know the truth. It was the 1% every single day. 2026 won't be the year you changed everything. It'll be the year you changed 1% every day. And that will change everything. Start today. Start small. Start with 1%. Your comeback begins now.